그러니까 디스토니아 때문에 오셨습니까?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was told, yes.
어떤 증상이 제일 심하십니까?
Well, lately, like a couple months ago, my eyes have been really affected. Like my eyes feel very strained, hazy feeling, and my pupils get really big just for no reason. But it would be and the other thing would be spasms, my neck, very tight feeling. Like when I turn, it's like very rigid. It's not like a clean turn. It's not smooth. And my hands are also affected too. They feel rigid. When I'm trying to reach for something, it's a rigid feeling. And recently, like, my jaw's been having pain and tightness and kind of hard to open. I've been hearing noises recently, not right after my accident. Right after my accident, it was the spasms and it was like the pain. But then recently, it's just like my eyes now and my jaw. Like,
교통사고 당했을 때는 괜찮았고.
I was
Just
okay.
right after that.
So I was in an accident in January, and then I remember in April I had started having spasms and weird things going on. I was like, what's going on with me? There was an MRI of my spine, and they said I have discs, like a 40-year-old woman, thin discs, and I don't have curves in my spine. They said I don't have a curve. He told me, he was a spine specialist. He says my spine is suffering. That's what he said to me.
현재 통증이 옵니까?
It feels really tight in here and in here.
Okay.
And my nose too, like it all gets affected.
Right.
Everything, yeah, and I get very shaky too.
또 어디에 통증이 제일 심합니까? 통증은?
So actually, like 2 months ago, I had a lot of pain right in this area here, like a nerve pinching pain. But now it's just like my neck mainly. That's pretty much it now. I used to have pain right here on this bone as well, really bad, but that went away.
2명 정도 심하다고 표현했네요.
Yeah.
이 장치를 착용시키면은 이 좁아진 내로잉 스페이스가 노멀 스페이스로 변한다. 그러면 시그널이 꺼지면서 틀어진 디스토션이 C1, C2, C3가 올라야 되게 되는데 지금도 아까처럼 많이 불편합니까?
No.
이유는 단순하다. 이 시그널이 붙잡고 있는 머슬을 놔줘서 그렇다. 목, 뒤, 어깨 쪽에 페인이 어떤지 한번 확인해봐라.
I went down.
이제 내가 서비칼을 온라인 시키겠다. Just a moment. How about your neck and shoulder pain?
Feels okay.
불편했던 게 한 10개라면 몇 개가 감소됐습니까?
A little more than half.
어제 처음 치료 받아보셨는데 오늘까지 컨디션이 어땠습니까?
I had a lot more spasms after. I felt nauseous and I was just really relaxed. Like I went to sleep right away.
You get up at 5 a.m. with full of energy.
Yeah, I got up early.
She never has energy in the morning, ever.
턱 얼굴 주변에 통증은 어떠냐?
It's gotten a little better. Right now it's kind of tight now after that. But the spasms are a little better now after what he just did too. So overall it's gotten better with the spasms right now, what he just did. And then it's less tight, but now it's tighter now. But it was less tight yesterday night.
앞으로 치료받으면서 안 아프던 데가 아파지게 되고 또 아팠던 게 더 아파도 되고 대폭 줄어들었다 더 심해졌다 이런 반복이 되면서 치료가 될 거다. 그게 치료 과정이니까 걱정하지 마라. 예. Facial pain, spasm 어때요? neck
Eyes
pain.
are still the same. At night they get really bad. At night everything gets bad. In the morning kind of okay, you know. Not as much tightness in the jaw area. I would say yesterday I felt the best, like during the day, but at night it just kind of goes back to the same thing.
Back.
I wake up and it's just very tight. It's really not a lot of pain, it's just tightness. And
입이 잘 안 벌지는 거야.
it's a little better.
퍼포먼스. 오늘 컨디션 어떤가요?
I actually felt pretty good last night. Like the best I felt this whole time I've been here. I had I felt something in my body. I can't explain it. I wasn't 100%, but I felt like something was happening. I felt good.
이번 주에는 지난주에 비해서 어떤
I actually, for like 4 hours, my symptoms were pretty much gone. So it was pretty awesome. But like that day when we went, I felt like it was weird. Like it was pretty much gone. I was like myself again before the accident. I was like, wow, okay.
그게 굉장히 빠르게 좋아지긴 징조다.
Yeah.
지난주에 비해서 이번 주 어떤 달라진 점이 있습니까?
My spasms have gotten better. They went down. That's the only thing that had went down. The other day, I think Saturday, I went to go get food and I was talking to my mom and my symptoms went away for 10 minutes again. So it went away and I was like completely fine and then it came back. So it comes and goes. Another day, I think it was last week where I was walking, I felt okay again, normal. So it lasts for like only like a couple minutes where I feel okay. And then the other day when I was doing meditation on Saturday, my eyes were a lot better. Like usually I can't look up and they're just so strained. It felt more better and I was like, wow, like this is another change, a relief.
오늘 컨디션?
I feel okay. I think I'm slowly getting there. I'm just, like I said before, I'm waiting for big change.
눈이 불편하다는 건 어떻죠?
It's still there. It's like up and down. In the morning it was better, and then I went to the gym, and then it got bad again. And when I got here, and he did the thing. It feels a little better now, but it's just like up and down.
한 달 지금 치료 받았는데 오늘까지 100점 만점에 몇 점이에요?
I would say 45%.
어떠신지?
I feel kind of worse today, but I was feeling good. Like I said, I had some really big changes where I felt like myself again. Like it lasts a couple hours and then it like goes back to the same thing. And then yesterday I was having a healing crisis, I think, and today I had like pain in my back, like a nerve pain that I used to have a couple months ago that went away and it like came back. And then the back of my head is kind of like sore. I just feel kind of like sick overall, but I've been having big changes. I'm just wondering when it's gonna like last and stay. So is it a good sign? Cause like my whole, like the whole head thing and the eyes, it like cleared up. Like I felt like myself, but I'm just wondering like, why does it go back to like feeling like crap again? Like.
틀어진 구조가 정상 구조 변하면은 또 옛날에 틀어져 있던 그 구조를 구조줄 그 세력이 다시 또 척추를 틀어지게 하면서 이제 그 힘이 점점 약화되면서 힐링 크라이시스도 이제 점점 약하게 나타나고 결국에는 이제 앞으로는 나타나지 않게 되는 거다. 컨디션은 어땠어요?
I felt kind of good yesterday, like I had a good moment. Today I feel okay. Still the eyes pressuring them, but yeah, I'm just very hopeful though. I think it'll get a lot better.
3개월 반 동안 고생 많았어요. 처음에 왔을 때 아주 심한 불편 증상이 한 몇 프로 정도 좋아졌는지.
With my neck, like I said, 70%.
Yeah.
And then my eyes around 50. The spasms have went down a lot.
굉장히 심한 통증.
It's pretty much gone. I don't really have that anymore.
코, 눈 주위 긴장과 떨림, 턱의 긴장, 개구장애.
You know, it actually has gotten better. Like these past 2 days, the jaws kind of stopped hurting. And when I open my mouth, it's not really like popping that much anymore. So.
이거 전혀 이게 치료될 수 있을까 하고서는 의심 많았잖아요.
Yeah.
근데 결국에는 좋아지잖아. 이만큼 좋아지면 또 본인이 열심히 노력했기 때문인 거다.
Yeah.
지금까지 전체적으로 평균치가 어느 정도 됩니까?
I had like really good days where I had like no symptoms, so that would be like 90. But yeah, like 85, 90, I would say.
처음에 왔을 때 신경이 아주 예민해서 정서적으로 문제가 많았었는데 이제 지금 정서적으로도 많이 안정이 됐습니까?
Stable? A lot more stable. I have more peace, for sure.
고생 많이 하셨고 일단 이만큼 좋아져서 가서 축하드립니다.
Thank you. Thank you.